Good afternoon to all the students. Let's start third part of question first of exercise 9.1, which is minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. You have to find 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. First, I will take LCM and make the denominators equal like this. 5 और 3 का LCM 15. 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, minus 12. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, minus 10. Now there are two rational numbers with same denominator, minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. Minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. I have to enlist 5 rational numbers between them. So I will multiply these two numbers, rational numbers, with 6 by 6 with 6 by 6. I will get minus 72 by 90, minus 60 by 90. Then 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers are minus 71 by 90, minus 70 by 90, minus 69 by 90, minus 68 by 90, minus 67 by 90. Or you can write minus 61 by 90, 62 by 90, minus 63 by 90, minus 64 by 90. All answers are correct. Now let's move to the fourth part. Fourth part is again same. Two fractions are rational numbers are given. First we will make these two rational numbers same denominator. 2 और 3 का LCM 6, minus 3 and 4. There are two rational numbers, minus 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. And I will again multiply by, क्योंकि मुझे 5 rational numbers find out करने हैं, then I will take the number greater than 5. For example 6 by 6. I am multiplying these two numbers by 6 by 6, and here is also 6 by 6. Now the new numbers are minus 18 by 36 or minus and 24 by 36. 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers are 23 by 36, 22 by 36, 21 by 36, 20 by 36, 19 by 36, less than 24 or greater than minus you can take also. Write 4 rational numbers. There are 4 rational numbers are given in your book, and you have to write next 4 rational numbers. You will observe these numbers carefully and find the next answer. There is 3's table in numerator with negative sign and 5's table in denominator. Okay, so we will continue this 3 table with negative sign in next 4 numbers and 5 tables in next 4 numbers in denominator. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. And 5 की table 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Because in numerator there is negative sign given, so I will use negative sign in right answer also. Second part is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3. In denominator there are counting numbers with negative sign, so I will write answer minus 4 by minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, counting numbers with negative sign. और नीचे 4 की table है, so I will continue 4 table in denominator like this: 16, 20, 24, 28. I have to write next 4 numbers, so I will take only next 4 numbers. Third, minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24. There in first number minus sign is given in numerator, but in next 3 numbers minus sign is given in denominator. So I will continue this minus sign in denominator by observing this pattern. तो माइनस माइनस नीचे आ गया, ऊपर काउंटिंग नंबर्स हैं 1 2 3 4. नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर्स 5 6 7 8. 6 की टेबल वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द डिनोमिनेटर, 6 की टेबल अप टू नेक्स्ट 4 प्लेसेस. ओके, next fourth part of last part of this question is minus 2 by 3, 2 by minus 3, 4 by minus 6 and 6 by minus 9. Here minus sign is in denominator again, so I will continue minus sign in denominator. ऊपर 2 की टेबल I will continue for 2 टेबल, and नीचे जो नीचे है denominator में I am using 3's table, so I will continue this 3 table denominator. Third question है, first number is given, you have to write next 4 rational equivalent numbers. ऊपर 2 की टेबल विद नेगेटिव साइन अप टू 4 प्लेसेस, नेक्स्ट 4 प्लेसेस. नीचे 7 की टेबल विद पॉजिटिव साइन अप टू नेक्स्ट 4 प्लेसेस. इट मीन्स माइनस 4 बाय 14, माइनस 6 बाय 21, माइनस 8 बाय 28. ऊपर 2 की टेबल चलेगी नेक्स्ट 4 नंबर्स तक, प्लेसेस तक. नीचे 7 की टेबल चलेगी विद पॉजिटिव साइन. 5 बाय माइनस 3, इट मीन्स आई विल कॉपी द सेम पैटर्न. ऊपर 5 की टेबल, नीचे 3 की टेबल विद नेगेटिव साइन और नेक्स्ट 4 डिजिट तक, बिकॉज आई हैव टू फाइंड 4 नेक्स्ट 4 रैशनल नंबर्स. 4 by 9, ऊपर 4 की टेबल, नीचे 9 की टेबल. देयर इज़ नो नेगेटिव साइन, सो आई विल नॉट यूज़ एनी नेगेटिव साइन here. You have to draw the number line and find the rational numbers. Class first number is 3 by 4. So I will draw the number line here. I will put denominator, यहाँ पे denominator में 4 है तो इन सब के नीचे 4 4 4 लगा दूँगी और जहाँ 3 by 4 है I will show a is equal to 3 by 4. Next number is minus 5 by 8. Again I will put 8 8 8 in denominator. जहाँ पे minus 8 by 5 by 8 होगा I will locate the point and I will give it name as a is equal to minus 5 by 8. कुछ और भी दे सकते हो as your wish. minus 7 by 4. minus 7 5 और डिनोमिनेटर में 4 है तो सबके नीचे 4 आ जाएगा और माइनस है तो नेगेटिव साइड में चलेंगे. जहाँ पे minus 7 by 4 लोकेट हो रहा है उसको हम कोई भी नाम दे देंगे, पॉइंट दे देंगे. 7 by 8 आई विल ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन. आई विल राइट 8 8 8 इन डिनोमिनेटर. जहाँ पे 7 by 8 होगा दैट इज़ माई आंसर 7 by 8. Fifth question we will discuss later. Let's move to sixth question. Which of the following pairs represent the कौन कौन से equal है. For example minus 7 by 20, 1 or 3 by 9. There are many different methods to solve this question. Either you can use cross multiply or can use LCM method or you can cut into simplest form. किसी भी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. minus 7 by 21 और मैंने यहाँ कट किया है and I got minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. One number is negative and one number is positive. It's obvious they will never be equivalent. Negative और positive number कैसे equal हो सकते हैं? It means no, they are not equivalent. Next number is minus 16 by 20 or 20 by minus 25. First I will take this negative sign in numerator. अब ये बन जाएगा minus 20 by 25. ना अब मैं कट कर दूँगी. अब भी मेरे पास हो जाएगा minus 4 by 5. On the right hand side it is also 4 by. It means they are equal. Yes, they are equal. Third part is minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. I will cut minus by minus, it will become 2 by 3 and second number is also 2 by 3. It means they are equal. Yes. Fourth minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20. Class I will this number I can't cut because it is a simplest form. It is in the simplest form, so I will move to this number. यहाँ मैं कट कर सकती हूँ. 4 पे मैंने कट किया. I will get minus 3 by 5 on the right. On the other side I will also get minus 3 by 5. It means they both are same. Yes, they are equal. Now next part is fifth part. 8 by minus 5. My first duty to take this negative sign from denominator to numerator. ऊपर ले गई मैं minus 8 by 5 हो गया और ये minus 24 by 15. अब मैंने 3 की टेबल बेस कट किया. 3 8 ज़ा 3 5 ज़ा minus 8 by 5 हो गया. ये भी minus 8 by 5 है. It means both are equal. नेक्स्ट 6 पार्ट minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. स्टूडेंट्स इसमें आप एक देखो, वन नंबर इज़ पॉजिटिव एंड अदर नंबर इज़ नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स दे आर नॉट इक्वल. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव नंबर्स हाउ कैन दे बी इक्वल. और नेक्स्ट लास्ट इज़ minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. I will cut minus by minus and I will take this denominator sign in numerator. So it will become minus 5 by 9. One number is 5 by 9, other number is minus 5 by 9. How can they equal? No, they will not be equal. I think we have done first 6 questions of this exercise except 5. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.